Hi viewers, I am Sanappa. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about RCBO. Okay, so we will see what is RCBO and how it is working, and where we can use it and how we can select this RCBO. Okay, we will see in this video. And thank you so much for those who subscribe my channels. Okay, your each subscription is motivating me to do more things. Okay, thank you so much. So basically it is a protection device we used in DB to protect our loads from overload current and short circuit current and humans from electric shocks. Okay, so it's a RCBO stands for residual current circuit breaker with overload protection. Okay, so this RCBO means residual current circuit breaker with overload protection. It is a combination of MCBs and RCCB. Okay, so basically MCB will protect us from overload and short circuit protection, but it will not protect from electric shock or leakage current. Okay, but RCCB will protect us from electric shock or leakage current, but it will not protect from overload protection and short circuit protection. Okay, but still this RCBO is combination of MCB and RCCB, so it will protect us from electric shock as well as over current and short circuit current. Okay, so as I told you, this RCBO is combination of MCB and RCCB. Okay, MCB protection with RCCB protection, it is combined with RCBO. Okay, so now we will see a RCBO. Okay, so how this is designed and how it will work. Okay, so this is one RCBO Schneider make. Okay, this is you can see the specification mentioned C20 and 330 milliampere and 6000 kA. Okay, 6000 ampere. Okay, C20 means C is a tripping curve for short circuit protection, and 20 is a ampere rating for overload protection. Okay, and 6000 is a kA rating. Okay, and the 30 milliampere is the earth leakage protection range. Okay, so this is how the specification will be mentioned on the RCBO. Okay, RCBO specification will be mentioned with overload current rating and short circuit type, and as well as kA rating and leakage current capacity. Okay, and also we can see this designed. There is one terminal. This is for incoming phase terminal. Okay, so here we can connect incoming phase, and there is a on off knob. Next to on off there is a test button. Okay, so we can by pressing this we can test this RCBO whether it is tripping or not. Okay, and down you can see neutral and line outgoing. Okay, so this neutral and line is for outgoing. Okay, so this terminal will be outgoing. This is neutral incoming supply. Okay, so this is supposed to be connected in neutral. This is incoming for neutral. Also there is a earth connection. Okay, so there is a earth for this RCBO. This is also supposed to connect with earth. Okay, so we will see how this is working and why this earth is connected with RCBO. So this is the internal view of RCBO. Okay, once you open this cover, so it will look like this only. Okay, so internally we will see what are the accessories are there in RCBO. So how it is working. Okay, what are the protection it will protect us from. Okay, so this is incoming, main incoming. Okay, it is feeding through BMR. Okay, bimetallic strip. Okay, so this will take care of over current protection. Okay, and this again once this there are knobs for on off purpose. Okay, and there is a test position. As I told you, there is a test switch. Okay, and also mechanism on off mechanism, which is connected with the tripping mechanism also. Okay, and there is a toroid CT which will measure this imbalance current for earth leakage protection. Okay, and there is a electronic circuit board which is connected with the toroid CT. So this electronic board will sense the imbalance current from when there is a earth leakage. So it will trigger a trip coil, and the trip coil will trigger the trip mechanism, and it will trip the unit. Okay, now there are three tripping mechanism installed in this RCBO. Okay, one is BMR bimetallic strip for overcurrent protection. Okay, when there is a current going beyond the limited current or the rated current, BMR will heat and it will bend and it will trip the circuit. Okay, and also once this knob on, the main supply is feeding through the solenoid coil, which is short circuit protection solenoid coil. Okay, when there is a normal current, the solenoid coil is not able to trip the circuit. Okay, when there is a short circuit, there will be a huge short circuit current will flow through the tripping coil. So then that time there is enough current will trigger the trip mechanism to off the circuit breaker. Okay, and there is a toroid CT where the phase and neutral going through this toroid CT. Okay, so you can see the main phase is coming from here and it will go through the toroid CT. Okay, this is phase and this is neutral. There I told you that this neutral wire is directly going through the toroid CT. Okay, this toroid CT will measure the imbalance current between phase and neutral, and that input will given to the electronic circuit board, and the electronic circuit board will trigger the trip coil, and it will trip the circuit breaker when there is a fault. Okay, so this is the purpose to measure the toroid coil imbalance current only. We are connecting this incoming neutral connection. Okay, so that will be taken through the toroid coil as outgoing line. Okay, and also there is a earth connection. Okay, so it is connected with the electronic circuit board. Always remember, this electronic boards always working with earth. Okay, so there is earth is must for electronic board. So to get sensitive tripping, so this earth is directly connected with this electronic circuit board inside this RCBO. Okay, so where we can use this RCBO, it means this RCBO is used in the DBs installed in the houses and offices, where humans directly using these equipments like sockets or other accessories. Okay, this RCBO main protection is to protect the humans from electric shock. Okay, so I explained the maximum about RCBO, what is RCBO, how it is working. Okay, so I hope you understood about this RCBO. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you are new for my channel, please do subscribe for more videos. I will meet you in next video with a different subject. Till then, bye from Senaparajan.